Alright, well, just went down the tunnel and now we are headed to the Burnout competition. So I've got my pit crew chief Fernando over here, and we're gonna try and make our way to the Burnout pit. And this place is just super packed. So you got all people in attendance here. I don't know, how hot do you think it is right now? 72. So yeah, and they got like full on everything right now. Yeah. They got a lot of stuff on display. I don't ever remember them having stuff right here.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, those of you that signed up for the Burnout competition can go ahead and head on over there.
Oh, so they just made the announcement. Alright, let's see if this guy will let me share the road here. So they just announced the Burnout contest competitors, and yeah, we gotta make our way there. Let's see. So ideally, oh, it's the 70-year whatever anniversary for, I guess, the Bel Air. But basically, when you try to go here, you try to follow the blue line and not try to hit anybody. So let's see. Oh. Alright. It is packed. Oh, that's new. They never had that before. Whatever that is. The little fake garage. That's cool, man. That is cool. Yeah. Okay, so I'm almost here. Oh, they took away my space.
Beer garden.
I don't have all that anymore. Oh, that's a bummer. That's a cool idea. So, I guess I gotta drive around and then go here.
Oh, the gates on that.
Yeah. But they don't have the grandstands anymore, so. Okay, we're here at the Burnout pit for the Burnout competition for Good Guys contest. So we just got here, already swapped the tires, so I got Fernando here helping me out, and everything went smooth. I mean, I remembered everything, so the jack, wrenches, torque wrench, all that stuff actually fits all in the trunk, and then I put the back tires in the back. So obviously for the competition, I'm just gonna have them sit there and hopefully no one will steal it. The only difference is because I already swapped the tires, I'm not gonna get them recoated or whatever, so people that know, they'll see that the color is there. But as I'm parked back here, so the only thing they did different is they'll still have the Burnout pit, but pad right there, but they're gonna have back here, normally where I park in the back right there, and they have the grandstands all set up, they have a drag racing RC car. So that's it. So like I said, it's about, what time is it? 11:51. So my goal is to get done and staged by 12 o'clock so the car can sit, cool down for about 30 minutes, and you know, like I said, other than that, everything is good. There's no issues with anything. So literally just drove straight up from Milpitas and got in here like no problem. The only problem was I didn't have anything to be able to wipe down and detail the car, just because it's not, it's just a hot day today. It's just not worth doing all that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll probably post the rest of it on YouTube or whatever, but this is it. This is the Burnout pit pad or whatever before all the madness. So I'll show it after, but you can see right here, that's mine burnout pad because it's red. So yeah, spoiler alert, that was the one that I did, and it barely did like a little dent on it. So it'd be interesting to see how the rest of it goes. So they have Driveway Finds has their vehicles. They'll have the Mercedes, they've got the Bel Air or whatever. So, and they have some very interesting vehicles that are going to be a part of it as well. So it's going to be interesting to see who places today, because they have a first, second, third place. So the exempt ones are the Driveway Finds vehicles or whatever. Those aren't gonna, they're gonna do it, but they're not gonna be a part of it. And yeah, and basically we got a Nissan being a part of it, so that's gonna be interesting. But yeah. Because they already started to bring a crowd, so I gotta get ready and close everything up. But man, and I'll tell you right now, my car cannot do that right off the bat. So I'm gonna roll this up so I can limit how much airflow is coming in, and I'm just gonna put this here so it'll be in the shotgun. And I've got my drinks right here. You're good? You need to get another drink while? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna close this up. So I'll be good. But everything's already set. So they already kind of advertised for everybody. They already got the water pad and all that. So I'm gonna definitely be here in the next. But it looks like there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's 6 vehicles that are scheduled, and there's probably gonna be more people. Only 4? Okay. Yeah. So we got another crash that happened. These guys have been drag racing since we got here, and there they are, flipped over, crashed at the end, debris everywhere. I think that's someone when they crashed earlier, but these things go super fast. So yeah, you gotta look at that, and that's nuts. There's the driver. He's literally just been hydrating. They already did a test burnout. I've got my favorite helmet here for the event. Got my tires that I already took off and rims. So I got all my stuff in there. I'm gonna close the trunk. That's already set. So this is the helmet I'm rocking with. Pretty hot. Probably should have put it in the thing, but they just did a test run on that. And I'm gonna put this inside so this can cool down for a bit. But definitely things are starting to heat up, and I don't know if I can actually put my glasses on and put it on, so I may have to take these off, but I'll end it right here. And then the next video will be me actually with them on and over. So we'll see if we can make this work, but I'm gonna do this off camera to make sure I can get it adjusted, because I have to wear a helmet.
He's a repeat contender from Milpitas. Am I pronouncing that correctly?
Yeah.
Second gen Camaro. Really nice car.
All right, we ready? Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's more than just a car. It's more than shiny steel. My ride has heart. Appreciate the style that feels. It's more than just a car. It's more than shiny steel. My ride has heart. Appreciate the style that feels. Yes, it has the power. Yes, it has the speed. I could brag for an hour, but I want you to feel what you see. This thing is about the vibe. This thing is about the sauce. You must respect the hype. Everything else is false. Come a bit closer. Come, it's the time of the pulsar. Come a bit closer. If your life is fire, this is the lighter. It's more than just a car. It's more than shiny steel. My ride has heart. Appreciate the style that feels. It's more than just a car. It's more than shiny steel. My ride has heart. Appreciate the style that feels. I'm telling you, it's more than just a ride. I'm telling you, this thing is.
So I'm not using the brake right now, but I think it's on here.
I'm telling you, this thing is alive.
I'm just thinking that it's like gonna come or whatever and like shift, and I don't know if I want it to shift. So it's just staying steady pace, and don't know if the tires are at its actual.
Come a bit closer. If your life is fire, this is the lighter. It's more than just a car. It's more than shiny steel. My ride has heart. Appreciate the style that feels. It's more than just a car. It's more than shiny steel. My ride has heart. Appreciate the style that feels. I'm telling you, it's more than just a ride. I'm telling you, this thing is alive. I'm telling you, it's more than just a ride.